Currently, we see a lot of fund being spent on event, even in case of historical occasion, but there is no fund for actual work. I would like to know how much money was spent on celebration of Shiv Jayanti, anniversary of Shivaji Maharaj assuming power. We are more into wasteful expenditure. If there is a legacy of Shivaji Maharaja in Goa, let us preserve it, but do not waste money on it.
आमकां क्रूज सिल्वान सांगलें आसा आउट ऑफ 51 मोन्युमेंट्स देर आर ओनली 12 फोर्ट्स. हांव एकच सांगता क्रूज सिल्वा वायल मेन्शनिंग एवरीथींग यू डीड फॅन्टॅस्टिकली यू हॅव स्टडीड द मॅटर बट ओनली थिंग इज एक खंयचेय स्टेटमेंट करता आसतना यू हॅव टू बी व्हेरी सेन्सिटीव. यू सेड दॅट शिवाजी महाराजाची जयंती सेलिब्रेट कित्याक करपा जाय. इट इज नॉट फेर यू नो. आय ऑब्जेक्ट टू इट. लेट मी स्पीक. एंड पैशाचेर कितले पैसे तरी मागल्या ते तुम्ही विचारपाक जाय. यू शूड इन्क्वायर अबाउट इट. यू शूड से दॅट certain crores of rupees is spent on Shivaji Maharajaचे. I object to it.
Cruz Silva.
ना बस हांव सांगता. I have not interfered. तुम्ही म्हणलें तेन्ना पासून हांवें तुका ऑब्जेक्शन घेतलां. दो आय फेल्ट बॅड बिकॉज शिवाजी महाराजाचे अस्तित्व ह्या गोंयान भितर आसा म्हणून खुबशे प्रमाणात जे इन्क्विजिशन आसा ते थांबलेले आसा आनी ताचे नंतर हो समाज प्रोटेक्ट जाल्ले आसा. वी हॅव टू हॉनर दॅट ऑल्सो. While making any statement, you have to be sensible enough that it should not hurt the feelings of the larger section of the people. So always keep calm and whatever you want to place it before that, think before that. Okay?
I mulna kitya keldi. I forgot mulna how much money was spent on celebration.
Yeah.
If there is a legacy of Shivaji Maharaja in Goa, let us preserve it. Do not waste money on events. And Tayi mentioned there is a fort situated in remote Satari Taluka, was built in 17th century by Chhatrapati Shivaji. Why preserve करचा म्हण? What to stop ना?
खंयचो फोर्ट म्हणला तुवें? You have you named it?
Satari एक fort.
तरी नानूच फोर्ट म्हणून आसा तो आमच्या दिपाजी राणीची जी लिगसी आसा ती आमी पळयतात आनी हॉनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरान एक अनाउन्समेंट केल्ली आसा हॅन्स फोर्थ जी आमचे जातले. तूं प्रत्येक गोष्ट जर इव्हेंट म्हणपा लागलो आनी तो फोर्टूय आयडेंटिफाय करपाचो पूण ती केन्नाच आमचे ते दिपाजी राणीचे स्मारकाचेर वचून एक फुलां घालपाचे पसून अधिकार आमकां नासना. आनी तेन्ना तूं म्हणटलो की डोंट वेस्टफूल एक्सपेंडिचर. हाव कॅन बी अ वेस्टफूल एक्सपेंडिचर? वी हॅव स्पेंड अराउंड 3 lakhs and people gathered, over 600 people gathered for celebration of Shivaji Jayanti at Betul, the new fort which is brought in light now. You should have complimented and congratulated. Instead of that, you are saying that on the Shiva Jayanti chair asa to wasteful experience. How can you say that and how can you dare to say that? This is not fair. You said that it is a wasteful experience. Don't cannot which will create
No cross talk.